Do you live in your Microsoft Outlook calendar, or would you like to start your workday from your to-do list? Let's look at how to start Outlook from your calendar or task view. When you launch Outlook, the default view is to show your inbox. Although email is an integral part of Outlook, the start of your workday might instead be focused on your appointments and meetings or on your to-do list. To change your display to your calendar or to-do list when you first start Outlook, pick the File tab, then Options, Advanced, and here is Outlook Start and Exit. So the default is to show the Inbox folder. Pick Browse. What would you rather see? Calendar? Task? Here we'll pick Calendar. And click OK to exit. Now I'll restart Outlook and let's see what happens. It's that easy to set up Outlook to display your calendar or task from the very beginning. To learn more ways to be productive with Microsoft Outlook or to join my free tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/outlook. If this training was helpful, please subscribe to this channel for other time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.